So I've been performing since I was 4, and I started in musical theater. So I've been around music my whole life. I went to performing arts high school, so music has always been in my life, and I've always written music, but I never had the tools to be able to produce my own music. So finally I bit the bullet and I decided to go to school. I think it's really important that people know where their strongest skills are. Something that I learned at Icon was to take my strongest skill and really showcase that. So for me, that's my voice. So I didn't stress as much about making complicated songs. I stressed about how can I showcase my voice and showcase my skill of being a vulnerable writer. I don't think you have to go to Icon to be I'm gonna be the sickest, dopest producer. No, you need to go to be how can you be the most successful version of you as a producer or you as a musician?